Hello students, how are you? Today we are going to continue our topic trigonometry of mathematics 1A. Understand? Let us go for the continuation. New topic is compound angles. Let us see what is the definition of compound angle. Compound angle. What is compound angle? Listen, compound angle means this is the algebraic sum of two or more angles. Okay? The algebraic sum of two or more angles is called compound angle. Okay. Example. Let us see the example. The example is, suppose let A comma B comma C are three angles, then A plus B, A minus B, A minus C, A plus B minus C, A plus B plus C, etc. are called compound angles. Understand? Let us see some formulae related to the compound angles, which are like this. Some formulae of compound angles. The first formula of compound angles is sin of A plus B. This can be taken as sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Let us see one more formula. Sin of A minus B. Sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Next, cos of A plus B equal to cos A cos B. Here will come opposite sign minus sin A sin B. Next, cos of A minus B. This can be taken as cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Understand? The next formula is tan of A plus B. It can be taken as tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. Understand? Next, tan of A minus B equals to tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B. Next, let us go for another formula, cot of A plus B. We can write it as like this, cot of. Next formula, seventh one is cot of A plus B. This can be written as cot B cot A minus 1 by cot B plus cot A, cot B plus cot A. This is the formula of cot of A plus B. Let us see what is the formula of cot of A minus B. Cot B cot A plus 1 by cot B minus cot A. Understand? We have to write like this, the formula of cot of A minus B. Understand? Cot B cot A plus 1 by cot B minus cot A. We have one more formula as like this, sin of A plus B into sin of A minus B equal to sin square A minus sin square B. Listen one thing, or otherwise it can be taken as cos square B minus, it can be taken as cos square B minus cos square A in terms of cos. This is the formula of sin of A plus B into sin of A minus B. Understand? Next formula, cos of A plus B into cos of A minus B, which is equals to cos square A minus sin square B. Understand? Or otherwise this can be equals to, okay, cos square B minus sin square A. We can write like this also. Understand? Okay, these are the formulae. One more important thing here in this formulae, what here, let us see what is the use of these formulae, when we have to use them, and also why, how do we use the formulae. Understand? How do we use the formulae? Let us see. Understand? Okay. Let us check where we have to use, when we have to use the formulae. Okay. One more thing. Here these formulae, we can use these formulae to find the values of compound angles, which are like this. Suppose we have to see one question as like this, a problem. Find the value of sin 75 degrees. Let us see how to find this value. Okay. Now solution. Okay. Going to see how do we find it. Consider sine 75 degrees. This can be written as sine of 45 degrees 30 degrees. We know the value of 45 plus 30. We know separately the known values, sine 45 degrees, sine 30 degrees, sine 0, sine 90, sine 60. With the help of these known values, we are going to find the value of sine 75 degrees. Now, this is in the form of sine of a plus b, a equal 45, b equal to 30. It can be taken as sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Understand? Sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. A value 45 degrees, b value 30 degrees, a value 45, b value 30. Understand? Okay. What is the value of sin 45 degrees? 1 by root 2. Cos 30 degrees, root 3 by 2. Cos 45, 1 by root 2. Sin 30, 1 by 2. What is LCM here? 2 root 2. 2 root 2 is the LCM. What will come in numerator? Root 3 plus 1. This is the value of sine 75 degrees. Understand? We can write a note condition as like this. Sine 75 degrees equal to, we can write sine 90 degrees minus 15 degrees. Sine of 90 minus theta, cos 15 degrees means sine 75 degrees value equals to cos 15 degrees. Let us check the verification. Is cos 15 degrees equal to sin 75, or otherwise we can find other values also? Sin 15 as like this. Listen, we are going to do one more problem as like this. Sin of, okay, sine. Question is, we are going to find it. Find the value of sine 15 degrees. Find the value of sine 15 degrees. Understand? Now consider sine 15 degrees. Sine 15 degrees, it can be written as sine of 45 degrees minus 30 degrees. 45 minus 30, how much? 15 degrees. Understand? This is in the form of sine of a minus b. A value 45, b value 30. What is the formula of sine of a minus b? Sine a of a minus b equals to sine a cos B minus cos A sin B. This is the formula of sin of A minus B. Understand? Write the value. Sin 45 cos 30 degrees minus cos 45 sin 30 degrees. You know the value of sin 45? How much? 1 by root 2. Cos 30? Root 3 by 2. Cos 45? 1 by root 2. Sin 30? 1 by 2. Now, it can be, what is LCM? 2 root 2 LCM. So, in numerator is root 3 minus 1. Understand? Root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. This is the value of sin 15 degrees. Let us see a node condition. The node condition is sin 15 degrees can be written as sin of 90 minus 75 degrees. This is sin of 90 minus theta, cos theta. So, sin 15 degrees value equal to cos 75 degrees. Understand? So, listen one thing. In the same way, we can find here, if we can find one value, we can, using that value, we can write the other value easily as like this. Understand? In the same way, we can find the other values of tan 75, tan 15 degrees, cot 75, cot 15 degrees with the help of compound angles. Okay? Understand? We should continue the remaining topic in the next class. Okay.